Hey everybody, so today's question is queue reconstruction by height. So in this we have given a list of integers in which we are given pair of integers, that is height of the person and number of the people in front of this person. So what we have to do is we have to reconstruct the queue. What does it mean to reconstruct the queue? This means that every input should satisfy. For example, in this, the first input is 7 and 0. This means the person having the height 7 has 0 people that have height greater than or equal to his. The second input is 4, 4. So this means the person having height 4 have 4 people in front of him that have height greater than or equal to 4. But this condition don't satisfy as he have only 1 people in front of him. So we have to make a queue something like this. So for this input, we have the person having height 5 and 0 people in front of him. Then for the person having height 7, we have 0 people in front of him. Then for the person having height 5, we have 2 people who have height equal to or greater than his height. Then for the next, we have only 1 person. The next for the 4, that is the smallest one, we have all the people that have height equal to or greater than his height. Then for the person having height 7, we have only 1 people that have height equal to 7 because that's the maximum height. So we can see that we are sorting on the basis of height firstly. Like if the person have the smallest height, he have least impact on any other's life because so no one will consider him when they're counting the people in front of them. So for the smallest person, it is most favorable to put him in front. Then we also have to check that then we also have to check if the person have any people in front of him or not. So we are checking, firstly we are sorting them on the basis of their height, and if the heights are same then we are checking how many people are there in front of them, then sorting in the ascending basis of the number of people in front of them. So for C++ we have this. So firstly we are sorting our vector on the basis of the condition we discussed, and then we are adding each value to a new vector called solution as per their new indexes, and finally returning the solution. So in Python, we are firstly sorting the people on the basis of their descending heights and ascending value of people in front of them. Then we are making a queue, that is an empty list. Then we are inserting the people on the basis of their new indexes in the queue, and then finally returning the queue. I hope you understand this. If this is helpful, give it a like. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.